Hi guys, this is Jam. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Disney Zombies 2 Addison Wells by Mattel. Now, as you can see on the actual packaging, that is the embossed lettering of the Disney Zombies 2 Addison Wells with the combination of some color green, pink, and purple. And as you can see, the actual photo of the actress Meg Donnelly, which is the same face on the 11.5-inch model doll. Shows some sort of different shapes or like edges at the front or hard plastic. And as you can see at the back side, you can see the 5 pieces collectible dolls that are included on this version of the Disney Zombies 2 collectible dolls by Mattel. And it's written that she cheers for everyone Seabrook High to be friends with different languages. And you can see also the actual model number of the doll with the original seal of Mattel Company, in which it's manufactured in Canada, and which have some sort of letters with different languages. Now let's start to open the box to see the actual doll. It doesn't actually include some sort of accessories. It's just only including the doll itself, which is just very simple. But as you can see, it's just very easy to open, and any kids will definitely love it. Okay, I'm gonna cut out all the strings to remove the actual doll. Now this is her cheerleader dress is very nice, which is pleated skirt, and she is wearing this carnation pink jacket, which is some sort of like high or cropped cut, and it's actually elastic. And the actual fabric of this jacket is very shiny. And her knees, as you can see, is very bendable, and this doll was actually lightweight. And as you can see, her hands is also ball jointed or articulated. Okay, that you can move from up to down. And I actually just removed her jacket to see her arms, how it moves. So this is how I move her arms. It's just very easy. And her hair is very nice, which is platinum blonde color. And her actual makeup is very nice as well, which is purple eyeshadow with frosted pink lip color and thick brushed eyebrows. I actually just compared her shoes. This shoes is from Barbie, and her shoes are way bigger than the Barbie shoes. The reason that her shoes are very big is that this character doll was a stand-alone doll, so it was so very big. It's because she is a stand-alone that you can definitely easily stand her up. And I actually posing her right now to see how easy it is as a posable doll. And that was it. So she's actually standing alone. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoy it, and please subscribe to my channel.